Guys, so first is we're gonna tour my first station. So in this area, this is where I usually put all of my cameras, all the accessories for it, and on this side are all the tripods, plugs, and everything else. And here's my filing area. My pens, highlights, and everything is on my right side on here. Okay guys, so here is the area where I like to set the mood while working. So I use essential oil to give that mood in this office so I can get motivated, and I love it. It smells really nice and it just looks so cute in here. Also, this area is my editing area for my YouTube where all the magic happens. Now we are in my second station. So this area, my desk area, is pretty much for my planning. I love to do my planning in here because I need that space to write. And also just pretty much all the household admin that I do for every daily things that we do. I pretty much keep track on here, like the bills checklist. This is where I do them. And also this is where I like to watch YouTube or do my thumbnails for my YouTube, or any editing for my photos for Instagrams and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what I do on my desk area. I like to keep it clean and minimal so I don't get, too clutter on here. And yeah, next is my third station. This third station is for my lounging area where I take naps or hide from my kids. I'm kidding. Okay, with all jokes aside, that's not what I do here. But this area is where I do devotional, where I spend time with Jesus, have some coffee and stuff like that. It's nice to have these type of moments in the morning. But sometimes it's hard to get this done because of my kids. But if I can do it like early in the morning, if I wake up before them, then I like to jump on here, sit down and spend time with Jesus to give me clarity for the whole day while I'm working. So that's pretty much what I do on my lounging area. I really love it. And before we jump into my fourth station, I'm gonna go set it up with you guys and we'll talk more about my job. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay guys, so here we are going to be unboxing some equipment that the company sent me. But before that, I'm gonna take all these down so I can have my fourth station ready and set up for the day that I have my orientation. And in here, so they sent me a monitor and a laptop for when I do my work. So I work for my company that is in healthcare business. Like I said from my other videos that I do, I'm a licensed vocational nurse. So that's pretty much what I do here. We take care of chronic patients that has chronic diseases and stuff like that. So that's what I pretty much do. And yeah, really happening, or am I swirling through a dream? Okay guys, so while we're setting up my fourth station for my full-time work from home job, I want to come on here and let you guys know that I'm so grateful and I give all the glory to God. I've been praying for this type of job, work from home job as an LVN, and for so long, and God finally gave it to me in the right timing. It's always his right timing. So yeah, after all these years, finally he's like, okay, you're ready, and I trust in him. We'll see where this job, where it's gonna take me, but for now, for so far, I'm very grateful and I'm loving it. In Mark 11:24, it says, "Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." And I truly believe this because we've asked God so many times to pull us through everything that we've been through, because I know most of you guys don't know our testimony and where we've been or whatever we've been through in life. God was there for us this whole time, walking with Him. He pulled us through from our past and gave us a beautiful family, beautiful house, beautiful job. And He was just really there for us. Every time we ask Him, He always shows up, and He always do miracle things for us. Matthew 7:7, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be open to you. So that is it, you guys. That is my work from home office setup. I love it. There's pretty much station for everything that I do. So that's why I really love this office, and I'm very thankful for my husband for pretty much DIYing everything that is in this home office that I have right now. And we give all the glory to God. And guys, so my plan for my content for this channel will be changing. I'm planning on uploading a video once a week, but this video that I will be uploading every week will be very searched and thought out so that you guys will get value out of my videos. That's my plan for this coming video that will be coming out. And so my making new habits that I've been posting, the part 3 and the 4th, will not be coming out this coming week. I want to release this video first, and so everything will be changing because I am now going to be working with a company that is full-time, and that will take a lot of my time. So I will only be posting one video a week, but this video will be very valuable to you guys. I don't know, how's that sound to you guys? At least this time is gonna be more better and thought out videos, and that's what I want to share with you guys. And the contents of this channel will be faith, home, work, health, lifestyle videos that I will be sharing with you guys, inspiring you guys through my walk with Jesus and doing all of these things, all this lifestyle that we have. So if you guys like this type of content, so please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you guys won't miss a video from me. And that is it for this video, guys. What do you guys think? Did you guys like it? Did you guys enjoy it? Leave a comment down below. Let's talk. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.